Okay, anger it is.
I'm angry. I introduce myself. I'm angry. I'm getting touchy feelings again. Are you? Why do Stan Baby have a cow? Don't use your temper, I say. It's right here. Maybe we get our head in the game.
You're reading so good.
Yep. And timeout.
Tell him about that page. Tell him about the timeout page.
Oh. That timeout page. Why don't background pizza? I don't think so. It's not. That's not food.
Is that the end?
Mm-hmm.